Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 18th and we're out here in the potato patch and it's tater harvesting time. We got our tools, our shovel, our bucket, and our gloves. That's it. We all do this by hand. But anyway, we're going to start taking these taters out. You can see they're starting to die back, getting some blight and stuff like that. And I timed these from the day when I planted as far as how big to harvest, and it's about a week after that window. So down here in the south, we're fixing to get us some taters. When you go to harvest your taters, you some's more, some's less. Now don't harvest if your original potato that you put in there, if it's whole or cut, don't harvest it. But go through, make sure if you have any, and kind of check a little bit around the hole, make sure you didn't miss any. But that's kind of the way it is. It's just a matter of pulling them up. Now we even like to keep the little ones. Now we won't keep any that's pea size, but we like the little ones. They do real good in dishes. They eat just like the others. Got good flavor. But there you go. That's as simple as that. And this is the destruction of the aftermath. Once you get all the potatoes dug out of there, we still have quite a few more, but then we're going to call it a day on these. Well, that's almost 2.5 bushels out today. Now we need to get these where they'll dry. And so it begins, the drying of the potatoes. Now your potatoes need to cure out for just a little bit of time so the skin gets tougher. New potatoes, now you can eat the potatoes right now, as far as there's no problem with that, but what we do is we don't dry ours out in the field, lay them on top of the ground or anything. Same way with our onions, we bring them in. We've got a big fan here, and of course we've harvested some of our onions right here. You got a pretty good bit, but we got another fan here because we keep it cool for the baby chicks till we get their chicken tractor built, and we'll probably start moving them out anyway into the yard. But anyway, I hope this gives you an idea kind of on your potatoes, you know, what you need to do if you're not familiar. I hope this encourages you to plant some potatoes. Right now we've got about 2.5 bushels, but there's plenty more out there, as you see. And we've got a lot more onions to harvest as they come ready. But anyway, if you want to see more of these videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. If you like, give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.